Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an IONOS account. Creating an IONOS account isn't just about signing up, it's about setting up the foundation for your website, domain, or online business. During the process, you'll be asked to choose plans, domains, and add-ons. If you just click through, you might end up paying for things you don't need. Open your browser and go to the official IONOS website. At the top of the page, click Sign In. Then choose Customer Account, since this for personal use. Click Sign In again. This takes you to the login page. Even though you're creating an account, this is where new users start. On the login page, select Become a Customer. Next, you'll enter the sign-up flow by choosing a product or plan. Browse through tools like Website Builder or Hosting, then click Start Building. Then tap See Plans. Select one of the available plans and click Add to Cart. This is where you decide what you're paying for. Basic plans are cheaper and with fewer features, while advanced plans have more tools and a higher cost. You'll be asked to add a domain or click Proceed without domain. You'll also be presented with extra tools. You may see options like AI Receptionist and extra features. If you don't need extras, click Continue. These add-ons increase cost, so only select what you actually need. You'll see your selected plan and options. Click on Continue to proceed to checkout. Then enter your billing information such as first name, last name, country, street address, city and state, email address, phone number, and finally, password. This creates your account and billing profile. Then click Continue. Here, click on Continue to Payment Options. Options may include credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, etc. Select your method and proceed. Your account is activated after payment. Once the payment goes through, IONOS will begin setting up your account. Once ready, click Get Started. That's a full IONOS account setup. To summarize, creating an IONOS account involves going to the website, starting from the sign-in page, choosing a plan, optionally adding a domain, skipping or adding extras, entering your billing details, selecting a payment method, and completing setup. The key is choosing only what you actually need. And that's how to create an IONOS account. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.